Getting funded by FTMO can be an exciting journey, but it does require patience and discipline. The process isn't immediate, and it involves a few important steps. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. First, you'll face the FTMO challenge, which is a real test of your trading skills. You have 30 days to meet specific trading objectives, like hitting profit targets while sticking to their strict risk management rules. It's a real challenge, but that's what makes it so rewarding when you succeed. If you pass the challenge, you move on to the verification stage, which is like a final exam but with a longer timeline. You have 60 days to demonstrate consistency and discipline, and while the profit target is a bit lower, it still demands your full attention and best trading efforts. This stage is crucial because FTMO wants to see that you can trade responsibly over a longer period. Once you've successfully completed both the challenge and verification stages, your performance gets reviewed. This part can take a few business days, and it's the final hurdle before you get funded. If everything checks out, you'll be offered a funding agreement, and just like that, you're a funded trader. In total, the process can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months, depending on how quickly you complete each stage and the time taken for the review process. It's not an overnight thing, but the time you invest is well worth it when you finally get that funding.